Welcome and hello. This is a lesson video on EPA SWM. And in this lesson, I'm going to demonstrate how to download and install the software. If you already have the software downloaded and installed, by all means, go ahead and skip to a different video in this playlist. All right, so what I have on the screen here is the web page to download and install. It is the EPA web page for Stormwater Management Model, SWMM, which I'm going to be pronouncing SWM. The stormwater management model is a hydrologic and hydraulic modeling tool developed by the US EPA for simulating stormwater runoff, drainage systems, and water quality in urban areas. It models rainfall, infiltration, surface water, and flow through pipes and channels, aiding in stormwater management, flood control, and water quality assessment. I will leave a link to this page in the description of the video, so you can go ahead and get that link there. Otherwise, you can probably just go to Google and then type in EPA SWMM, and then it's probably your first hit right here, same page. But go ahead and scroll down to download the program here. Click on this self-extracting installation for SWM 5.2.4. If you're watching this at a later date, it's probably a different version number, but go ahead and click on the latest version. If you're not sure what computer you have, if it's 64-bit or 32-bit, you can look in your computer by just going, type in the window key and then R, and then type in MSInfo32. I already happen to have it typed in here. Click OK. Then for system type, if it says x64 like this, that means you have a 64-bit computer. Otherwise, if it says x86, that means you have a 32-bit computer. All right, you can also find out about that by going to the settings and then about your PC. And then it should say right here for system type 64-bit. All right, so I have 64-bit. I'm going to go ahead and download the 64-bit. Downloaded to my desktop right here. Let's go ahead and install that. So just go ahead and click. All right, my camera turned off momentarily, but I'm back on here. Here is the first dialog box. It's basically asking where on my computer I want to install it, and this is where I'm going to put it. This is sort of the suggested default location. So click Next, and this is the Start menu folder. That's fine. I'll click Next. This is the final button to click to install, so go ahead and click Install. Wait for the progress bar. That was quick. And then I can launch EPA SWM right now, or I can uncheck it and launch it later. So I'll go ahead and click Finish. Now, if I want to actually launch the program, just go down to your Start menu right here, type in EPA SWM. There it is. All I had to do is type in EPA space S, and it looks like the rest was just autofilled. So I'm going to go right-click, Pin to start, and then you could just do a single left click to invoke it. But now I like to actually see it pop up in my start menu right here. And we are ready to go. We have the program downloaded and installed. This is just a little welcome screen here. And here is the main interface we'll get started on in the next lesson. Before I leave you, let me just go ahead and let you know that on this same webpage where we downloaded the program, we can download earlier versions of the program right here. 5.2.3, 5.2.2, 5.2.1, and so on. Also, the documentation is on this page. So right here under manuals and guides, I'm going to download the user's guide right here, which is 5.2. Just let that download. It looks like it opened up here in my page, but in your browser, you should be able to right click, or I'm sorry, there's a download button right here. I'm using Firefox, but all the other major browsers should have an easy way to save the PDF if it happens to pop up in your browser. So on top of the user's manual, there are other documents and guides, which we may touch on as well, but we'll get started with the user's guide. And thanks for joining me on this video to download and install EPA SWM.